Spending hours trying to write product descriptions that actually sell? There is a faster way to get it done in seconds. Writing compelling product descriptions can be tedious, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. AI makes it easy by instantly generating multiple polish options so you don't have to stare at a blank page or guess what will sell. Here is the exact prompt I typed. Feel free to pause if you want to copy it. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT gives me multiple description options that highlight the product's key features and benefits, each with a ready to go call to action. You could take one of these straight into your sales page, email, or social post and save hours of work. But drafting descriptions is just the first step. To actually start making sales and building a business, you need a system to organize these descriptions, pick the right products, and turn them into a strategy. That's what the AI Business Builder Challenge teaches. In 5 beginner-friendly episodes, it walks you step by step through using AI to launch your affiliate business quickly, without complicated funnels or tech headaches. I've linked the challenge in the description so you can check it out. Along with the episodes, you will also get bonuses like one-on-one AI strategy call and a database of tested AI prompts to save you even more time. Stop spending hours writing product descriptions from scratch. Let AI do it for you. Then use the AI Business Builder Challenge to turn them into a high-ticket affiliate business. It's less than $20 and the link's ready for you in the description.